How to get TikTok Live Studio access. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch TikTok app on your device. And before accessing TikTok Live, make sure you meet the basic requirements. That is, you must be at least 16 years old to access the live feature. Other thing, TikTok usually requires a certain number of followers, often 1000 or more, to enable the live streaming. So now you need to update the TikTok application and ensure it is on the latest version. After that, you need to sign into your account and visit profile at bottom right corner. Now head towards three-line menu icon at top right and access setting and privacy. From here, you need to look for the option related to live streaming or simply live, which is under content and display. Tap to open it. So if the feature is available in your region and you meet the requirements, you should see an option to enable live streaming. You need to tap the plus button on the home screen to start a live stream, just like you are creating a regular TikTok. From the available options, select live and set up your live stream title and go live. You need to always follow TikTok community guidelines and terms of service while streaming to avoid any issues. Engage with the audience to make your live streams interactive and enjoyable. So what if you don't see the TikTok live options? If the live option is not available in your settings, it could be due to one of those reasons, that is regional restriction or on-meet requirements. As of now, as you can see that I don't have much followers when you go back to your profile. I only have 4 followers, so maybe due to the on-meet requirements, I don't have that feature. But if you have, you can easily get TikTok live studio access. So I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for this support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.